What we do here is go back.
Today we're working on the 95 F-150 5.0 Ireland pulley, tensioner pulley, and serpentine belt replacement. Hey Joey, tell them what they need.
A ratchet, a 15mm socket, and a T50 torque tip. You can find the pulleys and belt in the description below.
Okay, let's go in and take a look. This is where the Ireland pulley should be. We can also tell that the belt's got a little chewed up, and also spinning the tensioner. We also know that those bearings are going to probably go next. This is where you need that 50 torque tips to remove the Ireland pulley bolt. Here's where you put the 15mm socket to remove the tension on the belt. You're going to turn counterclockwise to remove some of the tension, and now lift over. When you get this bolt off, take a look if it's not damaged. Sometimes you're going to have to make an unexpected trip to the local junkyard to find a bolt. Yeah, not many balls left in that bearing. Now, using that 50mm ratchet, we're going to remove the tension and completely take off the belt. The belt's not completely destroyed. You might want to fold it up your old truck, put it under your seat. Never know when you might get straight on the side of the road with a broken belt. Now your tensioner pulley is going to be reverse threaded. So to loosen it, you got to turn it right. Now that we have both pulleys off, let's take a look at the new ones. You can find this in the description below. If you have a little Loctite, use it. Now to tighten this, you have to turn left, reverse threads. And a little bit more of that Loctite thread locker. Now for the idler pulley, you're going to want to torque this to about 30 to 40 foot-pounds. When you pop your hood, in front of your radiator, you'll see this little sticker that shows you the tracing of the belt and how to put it in. When installing your belt, you're going to notice some grooves on the inside. Be sure to line your grooves right with the pulley grooves to ensure a proper fit. Let's start it. Everything sounds good, everything looks good. And just like that, you now got your idler pulley, tensioner pulley, and serpentine belt. And just like that, we wrap up another episode on Monkey Red's Garage. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification to see more episodes.